Good afternoon, dear viewers. I'm happy to welcome you on Sovelmash channel. As always, this is Alexander Sudarev, and we are at the site where the production line for General Industrial Motors is located. Now, here we are in the process of commissioning. We are in the lunchtime, when some of the employees have a deserved rest for an hour. Although, in fact, it is less than that. Also here, there are works on installation of electrics. Today there are a lot of works in different areas. Finishing works are being carried out in the administrative and utility building. Workers are working on the system of ventilation communications. They're working both on the ground floor and on the first floor, as well as on the mezzanines. At the same time, the work on painting the ceiling of the ground floor of the administrative and utility building is going on very actively now. Now it will be a design solution and it can already be referred to as final finishing. Among other things, commissioning works with the foundry, tiling works, and much more are going on. Work is also underway on the industrial motors that are scheduled for production. And importantly, work on angle grinders is also in full swing. Among the works that are outside the administrative and utility building, there are excavation works. Green layer is being restored. That is, the territory is already being improved. We are preparing for a puncture under the carriageway to connect the storm water drainage system to the central networks of the special economic zone. And we are also preparing for work on laying cold water supply communications on the right side of the building. By the way, in order for all these communications to be successfully connected and brought into the building, and to work on a permanent connection scheme, work is being done on the pipework inside the building. A fire sprinkler system was also installed earlier. And we can talk about the works for quite a long time. All the most important works have been carried out due to the fact that recently there has been a good flow of investments. And the more actively this flow will be maintained, the greater will be the rate of receipt. The more works we will be able to carry out and approach the winter with confidence. Because in the cold season, we will not be able to work with the landscaping of the territory. We will not be able to carry out a number of earth-moving works. And it is very important to complete all these works to supply heat to enter the winter as prepared as possible. And that's all for today. Keep up to date with all the events taking place in the Sovelmash project, subscribe to our social networks, and see you soon.